Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today I will talk about ebooks. Record times you search for articles on computer, read novels on smartphone, and use Kindles. You may not be a big fan of ebooks or e-reading, but you can't deny the fact that ebooks and e-reading have become more and more popular. So, what is ebook? According to Cox and Mohammed, an ebook is a digital version of a text content of a book that displayed on tech devices. The phrase of electronic book was first created by Andres Van Den, a professor of technology at Brown University in the US, when developing the first hypertext system on an IBM 360 mainframe during 1967 and 1968. When through years of development, ebooks has become mature and brought many benefits for people in working and studying. After searching for many sources related to ebook, it enhanced the advantages of ebook in my mind. I will introduce the major advantages of ebook in two aspects: convenient and effects on the environment. First of all, the top one feature of ebook is convenient. I remember during primary school, my bag was weighed as much as me because I was thin and short at that time. But with ebooks, all you need is an iPad, smartphone, or your computer, and it's easy to access anywhere. Ebooks are now a mainstream of academic, making work and study easier for staff and students. The accessibility is the main reason why students choose to search for learning sources about ebooks, which allows students to do keyword searching with navigate enhancement like links to other digital sources. And you can share learning materials with your friends just by sending it to other devices. Besides, the ability of copying and pasting directly from text also benefits learners. A survey on why students choose ebooks showed that about half of students use ebooks for reading about their subject area, while 37% of them rely on ebooks to prepare their assignment examinations. And non-users of ebook only occupy 1%. Due to the benefits and convenience of electronic book, its popularity among learners is not surprising. In study by Graduate Institute of Management, National Taiwan University of Science and Technology, through keyword searching in the ISI Web of Science database from 1988 to January 2014, with 102 journals and 258 articles, researchers developed a figure showing how many articles were published and how many times they were cited. Let's see the picture. As you can see, the green lines represent how many times the article was cited, while the red lines represent how many articles were published. The line graphs show the trend of number of articles published and time they were cited, from which we can find that the number of articles published generally shown a growth trend from 1998 to 2013, while time cited showed a huge increase, especially after 2009. The development of ebook make it more convenient for scholars and public to access academic materials, making a great contribution. An evaluation standard raised based on the ease access of academic materials. According to researchers Shandy and Williams, when judging the value of an article or an author towards a certain research field, the number of times the article being cited by other researchers or the number of times the author was being cited provide reliable base based on evaluating the contribution they made in that field. Shandy and Williams indicate the importance of number of times an article or an author has been cited, which to some extent represent their contributions. When connect it to the conclusion of the figure above, it is obvious that the innovation of ebook or electronic form provide a convenient platform to content data. Knowing the convenience of ebooks, you might be interested in how it affects our environment. Here comes another advantage. Ebooks are environmentally friendly. Let's do some math. According to Mitchell Carpenter, an e-reader's total carbon footprint is approximately 168 kilograms. We take 7.5 kilograms as the average figure of a book. To reach the same level of impact on environment as reading printed books, we have to read about 22 to 23 books in electric form. Along that logic, we can have our impact on the climate by reading over 44 ebooks. And the average e-readers can prevent the sale about 22 to 23 books per year by using their e-readers. And nearly 125 million trees were used for population industry in 2008. As a result, small efforts can make a huge difference. Although the main solution to reduce carbon dioxide emissions and save forests is to change our living habits, accessing ebook without doubt can play a role in protecting our environment. And every coin has two sides. There is no exception for ebooks. There are three main disadvantages of ebooks compared with printed books, summarized from the large-scale survey by University College London. First, less popularity and user demand. Second, relatively inconvenient in reading and making notes. Third, source limitation, as some old printed sources have not yet been transferred to electronic form. It is impossible for ebooks to be accepted by everyone, but it is popular. It is popular especially among scholars, students, and staffs. With the function update of ebooks itself and the perfection of supporting equipment, I believe reading and making notes will be more convenient. And there already exist products like Apple Pen, which can help people taking notes on devices. For source limitation, digitization is still in process. It would be easier with technologies like book scanner, and I believe more and more old materials will be available in the near future. So we can see every problem of ebooks can be solved. I believe it will become more convenient in the future. Using ebooks benefits our work and studying while doing some contribution to the environment. As the age of big data going further, e-reading will become more and more normal. Imagine a spare afternoon, sitting in Starbucks, reading your favorite novel while enjoying a cup of coffee. It can't be better. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make full use of ebooks to make our life easier. Thanks for watching.